to make sure that you're aware that this is the year of victory. That's what it is. We want to beat this thing once and for all. What am I talking about? Using holistic health, kuumba, creativity, holistic health creativity to heal the collective rupture and injury due to enslavement, ostracism, and genocide. That's why I exist. That's what the healmobile.com is all about. That's what my article's about that you'll read there. You may have heard about my newest book. The newest book is Light on Reiki and Neo-African Mysticism.